Hey there everyone, and welcome back to another video. So for this one, I'll show you how I use ChatGPT in order to fix some Java code in terms of programming. So of course, I'm sure we're all familiar with the power and capabilities that these AI linguistic platforms have for us. So this time, we're going to be using ChatGPT for its actual intended purpose, which is to help programmers fix some code that they are struggling with. So for example, right now we have a online Java computer code which we need some help to fix with ChatGPT. Here we're going to be using complete.java at point.com in order to run our Java code and compile it. So what we can do is we can simply ask ChatGPT to ask it to fix our code for us. So our prompt for this one is to ask ChatGPT if it can fix this line of code. As you can see though, ChatGPT will tell us whether the code that we formatted and submitted should be working fine. So if we aren't making it work properly, we'll definitely have to give ChatGPT some extra details so that it can assist us better. So as you can see, we've now given it a more broken line of code. And here it gives us the proper response to help fix the code. It'll show us the exact code in the proper formatting which will make it work, and even given us an explanation of what exactly went wrong with that certain string of Java code. As you can see, the certain syntaxes are misplaced, and it made us change some certain file names to be properly formatted, and certain syntaxes which require some editing. Now that we've fixed the code using ChatGPT, it's as simple as that, and as you can see, the code finally works properly thanks to ChatGPT's help. Now you can definitely apply this to many different applications in terms of coding and programming, but those are the basics on how to ask ChatGPT to help us solve some Java code. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this one. As always, thank you so much for watching guys, and we'll see you all in the next one.